Hey, campground owners, let's talk about something that makes your guests a little crazy. Dynamic pricing. Now, I know what you're thinking. People get worked up about price changes, but here's the real deal. Your guests aren't actually mad about fair pricing. They're frustrated because the algorithm is smarter than they are. Think about it. When someone realizes they could have saved money by booking earlier, their pride takes a little hit. So transparency is your secret weapon. When guests understand why prices fluctuate, they're way more willing to accept that. Explain that peak season, holiday weekends, and local events drive demand. Show them you're not trying to trick them, but responding to real market conditions. Remind guests that booking earlier saves them money. It's like giving them a roadmap to the best deal. And people love feeling like they've outsmarted the system. You might even want to offer strategic discounts that make people feel smart. Early bird specials, midweek promotions, loyalty programs. These aren't just pricing strategies, folks. They're psychological wins that make your guests feel like they're getting an insider advantage. Kind of like that card at the grocery store that gives you the special price. The truth is, dynamic pricing isn't about gouging customers. It's about matching real value to real demand. Your guests might grumble a bit, but they'll keep coming back if they feel respected and informed. So remember that price transparency turns potential frustration into customer loyalty. You're not just managing a campground here, you're creating an experience where everyone feels like they're getting a fair deal.